In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up a home page on YamaliGreenShops.com shop. So as you can see, when you start a shop, it's a very blank area. It's got just their generic logo and nothing of style on here. On our dashboard, the main areas is under Appearance. We're going to use Theme Option and Page Builder to set up our front page. First, we're going to go to Page Builder and build the page that we want. You have your template name, and you can build as many templates as you would like. A template is essentially a page, and we're going to drag and drop different areas in here. For this example, since it's our home page, I'm going to call it Home. And then you click Create Template. Now, as you can see, it says right here, drag block items from the left into this area to begin building your template. So as we build things, you can put text, heading text, a separator, buttons, images. There's a whole list of available blocks that you can easily click and drag over to build any kind of page you want, whether it's your home page, a store page, an About Us page, anything you want to do, you can easily bring it over. You have testimonials, you have product grids, anything you want to do. For today, we're going to just drag a few of the items over. We're going to do a heading text. And this is, I'm going to call this Molly Green Support Site. And it's a heading type of H1. These are the different kinds of styles that will come up, and you can play with them to see which style you prefer. If you know CSS styling, you can add optional CSS styling here. But otherwise, I'm just going to leave it as H1 and my title, and I'm going to close it. I'm also going to add a text box, and I want the text box to go down. Actually, I'm going to move this over. All these boxes you can arrange any way you want. And so for this particular box, I'm going to lengthen it so it goes a little bit farther across the screen. You can have it go all the way across, all the way down. It's the different sizes on how far it'll go across the screen. This is a little text box that I'm just going to put, "Welcome to my store." Again, you can have the different heading types, CSS styling, whatever you choose to do. You can also, one of the fun things a lot of people like to put on their home page is a slider with different pictures. So we're going to scroll down here to Slider block. Click, drag that up, and I'm going to put it under the text block because I want it to be the last thing on our home page. So on our slider block, we can then add different graphics for our slides to show the different things we want to do. So for slide 1, you can have a title. If you want to title the slide, you can have content. If you want to have some text on it explaining it. And then on this one, we want to upload the file. So I made very generic graphics for this area. And so wherever you put your graphics, that you've created, you just go there, open up your folder to where it's at. I've got mine stored kind of deep down, sorry about that. And I have very simple sliders just to show how to upload them. Now it says that the slider should be about 1170, and I made mine 1170 by 365. 1170 is the width, and that's the best width you should use. And then the height is up to you. I kept mine on the smaller side. So this is the one I've uploaded, so I'm going to select that. And you can see now there's an image there. You can link it to another page if you would like, another site, open up in a new window if you want a button on there, different things. So that's our first slide. Our second slide, I'm going to click Add New to put a second slide on there. So we're going to name this one Second Slide. And again, I'm going to click Upload. And I'm going to select, it now knows where I'm at. I'm going to go select my really nice and simple second slide I created. Hit Select. And then on this one, I don't want to show a button. So it's not going to link to anything and it's not going to show a button. And we're going to add one more slide just so you can see the different things. And on this slide, I'm going to, sorry about that, upload my third slide. And this one I will leave the button. I'm not going to link it. But I'm going to change my button color to blue. So as you can see, we've created 3 slides under the slider block. This is how fast the slides will go. This obviously will they pause, and again more CSS styling. So I'm going to close that. So I have 3 blocks for my home page. I've got a header, text, text, and a slider block. So I'm going to save this template. And we need to make note of the template ID number, which is a number 7. Because when I go to my home page, it is still a simple, there's nothing there. So to add this template to our home page, we want to go to Theme Options now. After we found a page builder, we're back over here on our dashboard. Under Appearance, we want to go to Theme Options. Home page Layout, and you can see Home Page Template ID. We're going to put 7 in there because that's the template that I just created. Scroll down, Save All Changes. We're going to refresh our page. And now you can see everything that I selected. We have my title, we have my text, and we have our sliders. The first slider is called First Slide, and it's got the yellow button that says Learn More. My second slider, I have no button on it, and I have left this on here. You can take this off very easily. And our third slider has a button, but it's blue. So as you can see, you can have multiple sliders, as many things as you would like, and as many ways to have them on there. And they just slide through, and it shows you can have your products on here. You can have whatever you can imagine to put on here for your slide. And again, we recommend 1170, and I made mine 1170 by 365 px.